Hello children and welcome to this session. In this video we are going to cover lesson number 7, which is multiplying a mixed number and a whole number of chapter 4 fractions. So let's start with the first example, in which we have the breadth of a rectangular plot of land is 1.5 meters. The length of the plot of land is 4 times that of its breadth. So what is the length of the plot of land? In order to find out the length of the plot, we simply going to multiply 1.5 by 4 because it's 4 times then the breadth of the length. So when we are going to multiply 1.5 with 4, first we need to convert this mixed number into a fraction form, for which we are going to multiply the 2 in denominator by 1 and then add up the numerator in it. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 4. And as we know that we can do a cross cancellation, so 2 can be cancelled out and 4 will also deduce by 2. So we have 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6, which is the length of the plot of land. So it is 6 meters. In the next example, we have to multiply two whole number 2 over 3 and 3. So first we are going to convert this mixed number into a fraction form, for which we are going to multiply 3 and 2, which is 6. And then we are going to add the 2 in the numerator, so it becomes 8. And we have 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. So here we can simply cancel out 3 with 3. 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator with the help of the cross multiplication, and as a result we have a remaining entity, which is 8. So 8 is our answer. In question number 3, we have Bina spent one whole number 2 over 5 hours practicing for a speech contest. Express the time in minutes. So as we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply one whole number 2 over 5 with 60. So we have one whole number 2 over 5 is equivalent to 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 over 5 multiplied by 60. And as we know that 5 into 1 is equals to 5 and 5 into 12 is equals to 60. So we can cancel out 5 and 60 with each other, and on further solving we are going to multiply 7 with 12, so we have 84 as our answer. Now in question 4, we have to express 3 whole number 2 over 3 hour in minute. Again, we are going to multiply this 3 whole number 2 over 3 by 60 because we have to convert it an hour into minutes, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we have 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2 11. So we have 11 over 3 multiplied by 60. Here we can solve it in both ways. Either we first reduce 3 and 60 by dividing them with each other, or we can first multiply 11 by 60 and then divide it by 3. In both the situation we have the same answer, which is 220. So 3 whole number 2 or 3 r is equals to 220 minutes. In question number 5, we have to find out the value of different parts. So starting with part A, we have 2 whole number 2 over 5 of 20. Again, we are going to multiply these with each other, because if we have to find out a certain fraction out of 20, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply that particular fraction by 20 in order to get the answer. So first we are going to convert this mixed number into a fraction form, and which comes out as 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 divided by 5. So 12 divided by 5 of 20, which means that 12 divided by 5 multiplied by 20. So again, what we did here, we can solve it in both ways. Either first we can cancel out 5 and 20 with each other, or in the other case we can multiply 12 by 20 first and then divide this whole answer by 5. So what we did here is that first we have multiplied 12 by 20, which is equals to 40, and then we divided it by 5, so we have an answer 48. In part B, we have 3 whole number 1 over 4 of 9. So after converting 3 whole number 1 over 4 into a fraction form, we have 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 divided by 4 multiplied by 9. Here 4 and 9 are not going to cancel out with each other, so we have only one option, which is to multiply 13 by 9 and then divided it by 4. And also we can reduce this fraction further, otherwise the answer will be in points form, so we stop it here. In part C, we have one whole number 7 over 8 of 18. So after converting one whole number 7 over 8, we have 15 over 8 multiplied by 18. Again, here first we have cancelled out 8 and 18 with the help of 4. With the help of 2, 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 9 is 18, and then we multiply 15 by 9, which is 135 divided by 4, and this cannot be reduced further, so this is our answer. In our part E, we have 2 whole number 5 over 12 of 60. 2 whole number 5 over 12 is 29 divided by 12 multiplied by 60, and 12 and 60 can easily cancel out with each other, and we have remain as 29 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 145, and this is our answer. In part F, we have 3 whole number 4 over 11 of 60. So 3 whole number 4 over 11, we have 37 over 11 multiplied by 60. Here 11 and 60 cannot cancel out with each other, so what we did is we multiplied 37 and 60 with each other, which comes out as 2220 divided by 11, and this cannot be further cancelled out, so we have this answer, which is 2220 divided by 11. The last part is of practice question, and question number 1 is multiply, and we have 4 parts in it. So starting with part A, we have 2 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 5. First we have converted 2 whole number 1 over 2. So we have 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 5, and we have 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 2, and this cannot be further reduced, so this is our answer. In part B, we have 4 whole number 2 over 3 multiplied by 15. 4 whole number 2 over 3 is equals to 14 divided by 3 multiplied by 15, and we can cancel out 3 and 15 with each other. So we have 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 5 is 15. Now we have 14 into 5 is equals to 70, and this is our answer. For part C, we have 1 whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 8. So 1 whole number 3 over 4 is equals to 7 over 4 multiplied by 8, and 4 and 8 can cancel out with each other, so we have 7 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 14. And part D, we have 5 whole number 1 over 6 multiplied by 30. So we have 31 divided by 6 multiplied by 30, and 6 and 30 can cancel out with each other, so we have 31 multiplied by 5, and it is equals to 155, which is our answer. In question 2, we have different parts, and we have to express those parts in minutes. So starting with part A, we have one whole number 7 over 10 hours, and in order to express it in minutes, we have to multiply this mixed number by 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So first we are going to convert this mixed number, which is 1 whole number 7 over 10. So we have 17 over 10 multiplied by 60, and 10 and 60 can cancel out with each other, so we have 17 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 102. In part B, we have 5 whole number 8 over 15 hours. Again, first we are going to convert 5 whole number 8 over 15 into a fraction form. So it is 83 over 15 multiplied by 60. So we have 15 and 60 cancel out with each other, and we have 83 multiplied by 4 again, which comes out as 332. So this is our answer. In part C, we have 2 whole number 2 over 9 hours. So first we are going to convert 2 whole number 2 over 9, and we have 20 over 9 multiplied by 60. Again, 9 and 60 can cancel out with each other. So we have 20 divided by 3 multiplied by 20. So 20 is going to be multiplied by 20 because they both are in the numerators, and 3 comes out as it is in the denominator. Now we have part D, which is 1 whole number 1 over 24 hours. After converting this mixed number in a fraction form, we have 25 over 24 multiplied by 60. We have cancelled out 24 and 60 with the help of 2. So first we have reduced it in 12 and 30, and then we further reduce it in 6 and 15. So we have 25 divided by 6 multiplied by 15. So 25 is going to multiply by 15, which comes out as 375, and 6 comes out as it is in the denominator, and this is our answer. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.